Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to find all the roots of y from this given nice math algebra problem. Y raised to power 3 plus y is equal to 130. Can you solve this? But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. We have the given equation y raised to power 3 plus y is equal to 130. Now this is y raised to power 3 plus y minus 130 is equal to 0. But 130 is equal to 125 plus 5. And this is same thing as 5 raised to power 3 plus 5. Then this equation can be written as y raised to power 3 plus y. This 130 will be minus 125 plus 5 is equal to 0. Now here have y raised to power 3 plus y minus 5 raised to power 3 plus 5 is equal to 0. Then here we have y raised to power 3 plus y minus 5 raised to power 3 minus 5 is equal to 0. Let us pair this to this and this to this. We have y raised to power 3 minus 5 raised to power 3 plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, this is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square, where a is equal to y and b is equal to 5. The whole of this equation can be written as y minus 5 bracket open bracket y square plus 5 multiplied by y plus 5 square close the bracket plus open bracket y minus 5 close bracket is equal to 0. Then here you can see that y minus 5 is common. Let's bring it out. Y minus 5 bracket. If you divide the whole of this by this, we have y square plus 5 multiplied by y, 5y plus 5 square, 25. Then plus, if you divide this by this, we have 1 is equal to 0. Here, this is y minus 5 bracket y square plus 5y plus 25 plus 1, that is 26, is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is y minus 5 is equal to 0, and the second case is y square plus 5y plus 26 is equal to 0. Then from here, y is equal to 5. This is the first value of y. From here, this is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And our quadratic general formula is given as y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Then from this given equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, C is equal to 26. Y is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 square minus 4 multiplied by A is 1 multiplied by C is 26 over 2 multiplied by A is 1. Y is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 squared, that is 25, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 26, that is 104, over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. Y is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 104, that is minus 79 over 2. Now, minus 79 is equal to 79 multiplied by minus 1. Then square root of minus 79, this is equal to square root of 79 multiplied by square root of minus 1. Then square root of minus 1 is equal to I. So we have y will be equal to minus 5 plus or minus, and we have square root of minus 79 can be written as square root of 79 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. Then y is equal to minus 5 plus or minus I square root of 79 over 2. These are the other values of y. Therefore, our final answer are y1 is equal to 5, y2 is equal to minus 5 plus I root 79 over 2. Then y3 is equal to minus 5 minus I root 79 over 2. So these are the final answer. You can see that from this answer we have one real root and the two complex roots. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong, but let's quickly check using this real roots. To check, we have the given equation y raised to power 3 plus y is equal to 130. Then if y is equal to 5, we have 5 raised to power 3 plus 5 must be equal to 130. 5 raised to power 3, this is 125, plus 5 must be equal to 130. Now 125 plus 5, this is 130. The left hand side is equal to 130. The right hand side, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye. If you have alternative method, kindly put this in the comment section. I will greatly appreciate that. Love you all.